Hello friends, in this particular video we will see the judiciary as stated in the constitution of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Constitutional Court. There are 9 judges. The term of the judge shall on initial appointment would be 5 years and on reappointment up to the age of retirement. The age of retirement of a judge is 70 years. Now, how these judges are elected? 4 judges shall be selected by House of Representatives of the Federation. 2 judges shall be selected by the Assembly of Republic of Sparks. Now, this is a very good thing. 3 judges shall be selected by President of European Court of Human Rights after consultation with Presidency. The judges selected by the President of the European Court of Human Rights shall not be the citizens of Bosnia and Herzegovina or of any neighboring state. This court would frame and adopt its own rules. Judges selected by House of Parliament and Assembly would be jurists of high moral standing. This court has exclusive jurisdiction to decide any dispute arising under the Constitution. This court also has appellate jurisdiction over the issues arising under the Constitution. This court has jurisdiction over the issues referred by other courts in Bosnia and Herzegovina. The courts of Bosnia and Herzegovina have criminal division, administrative division and appellate division. Now let's see what is a criminal division. Criminal division. It has section 1 which is war crimes chambers. It has section 2 which deals with organized crime, economic crime and corruption. It has section 3 which deal with general crime. Then we have appellate division. It decides appeal against order of criminal division and administrative division. It also decides election law issues. Now there is a High Judicial and Prosecutorial Council. This council has 15 members. Now how they are selected? 1 member who shall be judge from the court of Bosnia and Herzegovina, elected by the judges of that court. 1 member shall be prosecutor from the prosecutor's office of Bosnia and Herzegovina, elected by prosecutors of that office. 1 member shall be a judge from Supreme Court of Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina, elected by judges of that court. 1 member who shall be a prosecutor from the prosecutor's office of Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina, elected by the prosecutors of that office. 1 member who shall be a judge from the Supreme Court of the Republica of Sparks, elected by the judges of that court. 1 member who shall be prosecutor from the prosecutor's office of the Republica of Sparks, elected by the prosecutors of that office. 1 member who shall be judge from either a cantonal or municipal level court of the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina, elected by cantonal and municipal court judges of the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina, through written ballot to be organized by the President of the Supreme Court of the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina. One member shall be prosecutor from cantonal level prosecutor's office of the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina, elected by the cantonal prosecutors of the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina through written ballot, to be organized by the chief prosecutor of the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina. One member shall be judge from the district or basic level court of Republic of Sparks, elected by the district and basic court judges of the elective of Sparks through written ballot, to be organized by the President of the Supreme Court of the Republic of Sparks. One member who shall be prosecutor from a district level prosecutor's office of the Republic of Sparks, elected by the district prosecutor of the Republica of Sparks through written ballot, to be organized by chief prosecutor of the Republica of Sparks. One member who shall be a judge or prosecutor elected by the Braco district of Bosnia and Herzegovina Judicial Commission. One member who shall be an attorney elected by Bar Association of the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina. One member who shall not be a member of judicial or a member of Parliamentary Assembly of Bosnia and Herzegovina, elected by the House of Representatives of the Parliamentary Assembly of Bosnia and Herzegovina. One member who is not a member of judiciary and who is not a member of the Council of the Minister of Bosnia and Herzegovina, elected by Council of Ministers of Bosnia and Herzegovina upon the proposal of the Minister of the Justice of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Now this was the composition as to how these 15 members of this council are selected. Now we'll see what this council does. Appointment of judges, except judges of the Constitutional Court. Appointment of chief prosecutors, receiving complaint against judges and prosecutors, determining the minimum amount of advanced professional training to be undertaken by every judge and prosecutor each year, deciding upon the temporary assignment or transfer of judges and prosecutors to another court or prosecutor's office, participating in the drafting of and approving books of rules for the operation of courts and prosecutor's office in Bosnia and Herzegovina, advocating for adequate and continuous funding of courts and prosecutor's office in Bosnia and Herzegovina, setting criteria for the performance evaluation of judges and prosecutors, issuing code of ethics for judges and prosecutors. So friends, this was the judiciary which was there in the Bosnia and Herzegovina. In our next video, we will see some other features of the constitution of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Thank you.